the chair. Go sit in it.
Go ahead.
Go sit in the chair. I want to show you what would happen. Addie, go lay down.
Look, there's a chair.
Can you sit in the chair?
Can you sit in the chair?
Go sit in this chair.
Sit in that chair. Can you sit in that chair?
Go sit in it. Sit down.
She's getting
She really wants to sit in the chair, that's why. Okay.
What?
Sit in it.
Oh, sweetheart. Now it's
Okay, I'll sit in it.
Papa's gonna sit in it. Oh, look, Papa's sitting in the chair.
See? Chair.
You go try.
Here,
go
Papa
sit
will
in
give
it.
it to you now.
Here, you go sit in it.
Addie, go sit down.
You missed.
Uh-oh.
Okay, give her that chair.
Okay.
Okay, you want that chair?
It really is like Goldilocks. You can sit in that chair.
Sit in that
You
chair.
guys are mean.
I know.
Sit in
But
that
I
chair.
have to do that because it's funny because Austin did do that. You can sit in that. That's a big girl chair.
Sit in the big chair.
There we go.
There you go.
Yay!